Good morning. So a lot of people say, hey, I want your teeth. So I'm going to kind of show you what my routine is. This is how I start my day-to-day. Okay, so I just woke up, kind of like slowly getting moving. It's about 6:15 in the morning. Took a day off the gym today because I'm feeling something coming on, which isn't good because I'm about to travel. But what I actually do first, I'm a current patient of myself of Invisalign, and what I start with is this Crest 3D White Luck Whitening mouth rinse, and I do that first just to kind of let it coat my teeth because the next thing I'm going to do is floss. So bottoms up. Alright, so that was about a minute. Alright, my next favorite, and not everyone, listen, this is all preference, right? Any piece of floss, in my opinion, will work. There's that really cool cocoa floss. This stuff, super, super cool. Pretty packaging. Actually haven't tried it yet, but super excited. But I like to use this Listerine. The reason why I like it is because it's got like a little cute little ribbon floss. And I feel like it's very soft and gentle on my gums. Okay, so I'm about to floss for you, so here's how I recommend it. And so what I want you to notice that I'm doing is I'm actually going up in between the teeth, curving around one, just going just under into that gum pocket, and then coming down, and then coming up and going around the other one. And I'm literally like looking at the floss and looking at like the potential plaque that could come out. Did it last night, so there better not be that much. All right, good. Next step is I use my Sonicare toothbrush, my electric toothbrush, to slowly clean your teeth. And to be honest, I kind of vary in between doing this Prevident 5000. It's a little bit of a fluoride boost that helps just fight cavities. Admittedly, I recently went home and saw my twin sister for a dental checkup, and I had a couple cavities because I got a total sweet tooth. Okay, so here's my electric toothbrush. This is about the amount of toothpaste I use. If I don't use Prevident toothpaste, I'm gonna do Colgate Total. It contains an extra ingredient that a lot of other toothpaste don't contain. That extra ingredient is called triclosan, and it's another gingivitis fighting medication in the toothpaste, so I always recommend Total, after the Prevident at least. Okay, then my other favorite thing that a lot of people don't use, a tongue scraper. It is my favorite thing. I feel like you can literally see it scrape the coffee off your tongue. You can literally see it scrape the bad breath off your tongue. But a tongue scraper, I stick my tongue out, go all the way back in a slow forward motion, and I kind of do it until the stuff that comes off of it is clean. Okay, finally, because I'm wearing Invisalign, I like to tell my patients that like sometimes your teeth don't get a little darker, or they don't get as bright white even though you're brushing a lot more with our Invisalign, because your natural saliva isn't rinsing the crap off your teeth during the day. So what I like to do before I pop my Invisalign in is my boy Carl Radke, who used to represent Glow, he actually gave me a whitening pen. And so what I do is I take the whitening pen, you twist it up, it's almost like a, you know, one of those like lip pens, and I literally just kind of go across my teeth. And I'll take my Invisalign. And I'll go start my day. All right, going to go share my smile with the world. Bye. Hey, video one, not bad, huh?